Hi people, it's Cindy. I am enjoying a beautiful, absolutely beautiful spring day in Florida. I am at work. Another little update. Insurance has still yet to approve me. I'm not sure what the holdup is, but I have 2 months to figure it out and get them whatever it is that they need. Still plugging along, really being mindful about what I'm eating, how much I'm eating. I cut back on my water a little bit. I was drinking anywhere from 70 to, I would say, about 115 ounces a day. I cut that back to about a solid 60 to 70 ounces of water. Haven't really lost, but I haven't gained. So kind of holding steady. I do believe I'm in a plateau. That happens, right? Your body starts to regulate and then you have to do something a little differently to kind of kickstart it. So I've been kickstarting it with walking a lot more, trying to get longer durations of walking. What else? I sleep well. Sleep is never an issue. I still take all my vitamins, but been changing it up by actually eating. So I came off the liquid diet. I'm gonna do that for probably 2 solid weeks before I start to lighten it up again. Again, just trying to kickstart a little bit, maintaining my health, maintaining my mental health as well, staying in a good frame of mind. Sure, it was a little bit of a, I don't want to say derailment. It wasn't a derailment, but a little hitch in the plans with the rescheduling of the surgery. But that's okay because I would have been on the hook for something that is billable to insurance for the whole thing, and shouldn't be on the hook if I have insurance and it's an approved procedure. So sometimes you need to wait. I'm always with plan A, plan B, and plan C, always lined up. I'm always looking at it from every single angle. But like I said, I am just trying to live my best life. And I think that has been the biggest change in me, is that I am living. I'm alive. I love being alive. I love feeling the sunshine on my face, the wind in my hair, outside of the pollen, getting that fresh air in and the lungs expanded. I feel good mentally and physically outside of my foot hurting. But yeah, life is good. There's always a glitch in life, right? It's how you deal with it. I don't really let the glitches get the better of me. Excuse me. At the end of the day, listen, shit happens, right? Life happens. Life is hard. Adulting is hard. It's all right. Face it head on and break it down. Come up with a strategy that works for either you, your situation's dynamic, or even your family dynamic. 99% of the time, everything works out in my favor. That 1% every now and then will bite me in the butt, and that's okay. It's okay, right? What else? That's it. I have lots of changes on the horizon. So this weekend we're doing something a little different. We're going to be hosting a garage sale. My husband's actually hosting it because I have to work, and that's okay. It's life is very good. I have no issues. Yeah, life is good. I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. Get outside, get some natural sunshine and vitamin D. just take a moment, look around outside of traffic, but look around and look at your good fortunes. You know, I adopted a homeless man, kind of adopted him. After Hurricane Ian, he was living in a tent. He had to be rescued. He lost the last couple of pairs of clothing that were on his back. He lost it all. Lost it all. He's made bad decisions in his life, and he had openly admitted it. But you know what? Someone who had absolutely nothing still turned around and said to me, and what touched my heart was he was grateful just to be alive. He's like, material things. He's like, it'll happen when it's meant to happen. He was grateful to be alive, and I think that's what today's story is for you to take a look around and realize life is good. As my uncle always says to me, there are no mistakes. There's no mistakes. Glitches, hiccups, no mistakes. So life is good. Get out, enjoy it, live your life, live. The best thing you can do for anyone is to live a good life. All right, guys, with that being said, I'm out. I want to enjoy my sunshine. I don't want to be all day with you guys. Although I love you guys. Thank you for watching, listening, supporting, encouraging. Get out. Live. Put a little smile on your face. Life is good. Even when it's not good, it's still good because you have more than most. So smile. Enjoy the journey. Bye, guys. Have a great day.